Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, what do you do if there isn't enough search volume to get consistent leads for a search campaign on Google Ads? Have you worked out with a niche like that? Okay, so whenever you feel like there isn't any search enough search volume to get consistent leads for a search campaign, what do you do? And I have worked with certain niche as well. So first of all, the thing which I recommend people over here is, also we use different tools, but look around your competitor keywords. So let's say I'm using Spyfoo, but let's say if I'm targeting on a construction uh, company. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look on relevant keywords through this as well, and I can get an Apple data through Spyfoo. So also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look around on my successful advertisers, you know, and I'm gonna look around on their targeting strategies, on their keywords. I can get a lot of data from them, so my competitors can teach me a lot on this as well. So you can see over here, these are the current ad copies. I can look around on those advertisers, and I can get ample of data on the keywords they are targeting, through which I can slowly enhance my reach. Okay, this is one such thing which I can do, and through that I can get an ample of data. You can see over here I'm getting the keywords for them as well. So this can be helpful as well. This can be helpful as well on the keywords, on the you know the targeting one as an organic keywords. So I can get ample of data through the competitor keywords, and their strategies, and that can be very helpful for me. Again, I need to spend my time over here to look around on different keywords like this, through which I can find out, and if it's is it worth increasing my impression share. So that is my first strategy. Number one, look on competitor targeted keywords, and this can enhance. Okay, I can look on other opportunities, like I can do retargeting. Okay, retargeting can be a very helpful over here. Retargeting campaign can target those people, which can slowly gradually have know about my site, and then I'm targeting again with an offer or something, so they slowly know about me, and I can target on a second time. There are much more chances that they're going to buy from me. So I can look around other opportunities, like targeting on YouTube. I maybe see that one thing, do not have much volume on search, but have much volume on YouTube. So YouTube can be a very good place as well, and I can advertise on via Google Ads directly on YouTube. So this could be another opportunity for me as well. I can look around on display campaigns as well. Demand generation campaign, and I can try it out, demand generation or a performance max campaign. Okay, this could also help me in figuring out what's working well. So this could also help me in data around. So these are the few things. Again, I can do retargeting on Facebook as well, and I look on Instagram, and that could also bring an opportunity. Sometimes people are more on Facebook for your similar niche or genre. So I can target from Facebook as well, because we run an agency, and we provide multiple services. So again, we can sort out those and figure out from those as well. But I just give you a few ideas. Again, I need to figure out your website, so I can give you full-fledged information, but this is my general analysis based on the information you have provided. So I hope you like the information, but in case if you need a professional help, even you or the audience looking around need a professional help with the Google Ads, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to look forward working with you guys. So if you need our services in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, web development, SEO, we can help you. We look forward working with you through the link in the description. And thank you for watching. Take care, and bye bye.